weeks, and certainly while this case was pending, is that everything that you got in front of you was not going to be a surprise. We knew what our background here was. One of the things, two really in this case that I've never seen before, one, you can see Detective Flores' statement here, and while he may not necessarily be advocating for probation, he is at least mentioning it as a possibility, and that's because, as he should be, Mr. Bratton is in compliance right now and has been since after the indictment and after the arrest. The other reason for that is because they have, maybe limited, but they have interactions with each other because he's required to check in with him and stay in touch with him as part of his registration. The other is, and this is from Mr. Bratton's perspective, I've never had someone come to me and ask me to ask the court for safety. I know that it happens, but I'm saying it's never happened to me because it's that rare. And the reason that is one of the things that we're asking the court for today is clearly there are other charges in here where he hasn't registered. It's the same thing we're dealing with now. We understand that. We're kind of owning that as best we're able to right now. But everything that the court's looking at, including the registration issues, it's all drug related. All of it's drug related. While it has an issue, he wants to get serious help, I think for the first time, addressing it. And finally, Judge, we talked about this morning, and he and I have talked about it over the last week or so, and we don't say it casually, we say it because it's true, because it's coming from him and his experience. It's one thing to be sentenced to TDC, and we're very aware that the court has all the authority to do that today. The way that he said it to me is, it would be very easy to go do something I've already done and sit and count time. Not that there aren't other things that he can do to improve himself, but sitting and counting time is not hard.
Yeah.
Doing probation with some pretty serious restrictions on it is hard. Certainly, it's at least harder than that, as he's conveyed it to me. We have asked, while this case has been pending a number of different times, at least 2 or 3, for permission to leave the county to go work for a weekend or work some odd jobs, because frankly, he's scraping it together right now to get to the next day, to try to make a living, to try to improve on some things.